Hi, this is Maria. I am going to do my very first video showing my first keto box that I received, and it's called the Keto Box. After trolling and watching different keto boxes and things like that, I decided to finally make the investment. So I want to show you guys what's in the first box I got. I got it at a discount. There was a discount code and I got it from there. So just look around for discount codes. I'm sure you'll find them. So this is how the box looks. It's chock full of stuff. So the first thing is Raw Rev Glow creamy peanut butter and sea salt protein bar. Has 2 grams of sugar and the carbs are 17 grams of carbs, 14 of which is fiber. So that's not too bad. It's pretty good. I'm not going to show the ingredients because it's too small, but just in case. It's too little. Okay. I also have from Primal Noms chocolate mug cake, 3 net carbs, 1 serving. Keto cake in just a minute. You have to add butter, egg, and the cake mix. So it's pretty simple than having to get all the ingredients, like 6 or 7 ingredients to make 1 mug cake. I'll try this. 100 calories per package. Pork clouds, fried pork rinds. A nice little single serving bag. 0 carbs, 12 protein, 6 fat, 100 calories. Not bad, a little change from your normal pork rinds. Crazy Go Nuts, garlic parmesan walnuts. No sugar added, loaded with omega-3s. I don't like nuts, but maybe I'll try it. Put into my, no, this is garlic parm, so I can't put it into smoothies, but I'll find something to do with it so I don't let it go to waste. Cocoa almond stoka bar, 4 net carbs and all natural. It is cocoa almond. Something I've been wanting to try for a while. Yay me. Smart cakes, and it's cinnamon, my favorite. These have 0 carbs because it's 9 carbs, 5 dietary fiber, and 4 sugar that you can subtract. And it feels like there's 2 of these in here. Yep, so it's 1 cake per serving and there's 2 in a package. Next is Nick's Sticks. 100% grass-fed beef. I'm not a big fan of meat sticks, but I'll try it. Carbohydrates is 0, sugars is 0, no artificial anything, so it's a good thing to try for a snack. S. Pellegrino flavored mineral water. This one is lemon and lemon zest in a cute little can. Ketogenic meal replacement instant keto meal chocolate fudge brownie sweetened with stevia, 200 calories, 2 net carbs. So it's a nice little 1 serving. My favorite, Kiss My Keto coffee chocolate. Has 2 grams of net carbs per serving, and 1 package is 1 serving. Ooh, and something else in this specially wrapped. Ooh, Alterna Sweets barbecue sauce. 2 grams of net carbs. And it does have blackstrap molasses in it. Stevia extract. 5 total grams of carbs, 1 fiber, and 2 sugar alcohols is 2 net carbs for 2 teaspoons. Looking forward to trying this one. And they give me a little pamphlet for a chance to win. Ooh, who doesn't like free stuff? Refer a friend and get rewarded. So I'm going to share my link on my page, my Instagram page, and log into your account. So a cute little incentive to pass on the good news. They also gave me discounts, so I get 50% off the Smart Cakes, 15% off Nick Sticks, 20% off of the peanuts, 15% off of these. There's basically a percentage off everything, because here's one side that shows all the discounts, and then there's this side that shows all discounts. So would I buy it again? I would say yes, because I like to try different things and not end up spending, you know, $7 on a whole bag of pork rinds and then I don't like it and throw it away. So I think it's a good investment. I'm going to keep my subscription because I like trying new things and passing it on. I'm sure all of these items can be bought online as well. What I'll probably do is, as I try each, I'll make another video and send it out and let you know if it's yay or nay, if I like it or I don't. So I have a major sweet tooth, so that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had 11 items in the box, which is pretty good. Each of them 1 serving, except for the snack cakes that has 2 servings in it. And the nuts, of course, is going to have more than 1 serving. This is 4.5 servings per package. So everything else is 1 serving. So I hope you like. Let me know what you think or what you suggest to try. Otherwise, I'll bring another video with my thoughts on it. Thanks for watching. Bye.